capillary tube of radius r is immersed in water and water rises in it to a height h. The mass of the water in the capillary is 5 grams. Another capillary tube of radius 2r is immersed in water. The mass of water that will rise in this tube is, we know that mass is equal to rho into volume or density into volume. Why? Because density is equal to mass by volume. So multiply density with volume, we get mass. In this case, we have a cylinder, so our mass, our volume will be h by r square. And we're given that this whole thing is 5 grams. We are also given that our new radius r dash is 2r. It's double that of r. The formula for height of liquid, height of water in a capillary, we'll use h is equal to 2t cos theta over rg. So all this will be the same. The only difference is in our r is doubled. So our new height will be half of the original height. So h dash is equal to h by 2. Now to calculate the new mass that has risen in the capillary, we'll simply put in the new values. So rho into h by 2, which is our new height, into pi 2r whole square. And we've put it directly in h and r terms, not in h dash and r dash terms, so that we can compare it to the old values. So this gives us the mass as rho h by r square into 2. So this is basically double of the old mass, which was 5 grams. Rho h by r square is 5 grams. We already have this value. So we put it in this. It becomes 5 into 2. We get the new mass, which has risen in the capillary, as 10 grams. So the correct answer is option 1.